So we have a 2005 basic Chevy Malibu. And the reason I say basic is the LS has a completely different light structure, as I mistakenly found out by ordering the wrong lights. I finally got the correct lights, and these are all scuffed or degraded, etc. And initially, the instructions said in the Chilton manual, take these bolts out. These bolts have nothing to do with anything. All you have to do, as I found on a really helpful YouTube video I'm going to list in the description, you just pull these little plastic tabs up and the light moves forward. The driver's side one I had already done before I started the video. But here's the passenger side, and you can see it's completely latched in place. You pull this tab up and it goes that far, and you pull this tab up and then the light comes out. That's so much easier than taking bolts out. Because if you take bolts out, nothing moves. Well, the reason nothing moves is all you have to do is lift up the little tabs. Why does the book not show it's that simple? I almost went and paid money for this. Not that that would have been a bad thing, but supporting local businesses and all that, but still, if you can just do this, why? So, they're both loose. Let's see how easily the new lights and such go back in. I'm assuming that these things are going to be easy to unplug. I think that should be as easy as you get them lined up somehow. And then that comes out. Sort of, kinda, like that. And then twist and comes out, which is good. And this one, hopefully, oh, the reason that's there is because you gotta go this way. Twist and comes out. Okay. That was so much easier than I thought it was going to be. Alright, now let me get the next one ready to go. Well, I already did something I wasn't supposed to do. Not that it matters. These light bulbs are supposed to stay with the old headlight because you get new bulbs with the new ones. So you have to pull off these clips. So pull up with you need two hands. Pull this clip away, and then that part comes out. If I had done that, that would have been slightly easier, but that's fine. So we don't get a replacement for the turn signal one, but we do get a replacement for the headlights. So that's alright, but because I think this bulb's still okay. Seems okay. So, alright. Time to swap that. Hopefully this will just go right in. Hey, it does. How about that? Oh, there's two. One last one. Should go in that way. In, push, rotate. There we go. So that's one headlight swapped out. And then theoretically this just slides back in somewhere like this. Is that supposed to be out of the way? I don't know where that's supposed to go. Okay, so we got that in there. That's supposed to be down there. That is up. That is up. So now that's supposed to go. That goes down. That goes down. New headlight in. That's so much easier than taking bolts out. Oh my gosh. That's so much easier than taking bolts out. Alright, let's do the next one. And there's the second one done. Wow. And it's all locked in because the little tabs went down. And I'm not completely sure, but I'm assuming that since I did not change the positioning of the lights, meaning these light adjusters, that they should be still pretty much lined up correctly. But yeah, that's awesome. I don't know if those are supposed to go up over or not, little tabs, but yeah, that was way simpler than I thought it was going to be. Wow, who would have thought that just 2 little tabs, and that works great. Awesome. Well, that's way better than I thought. Yay. And I hadn't realized that when high beams are on, this side light that's normally the headlight is off. I never actually looked. But all the lights work. Very cool.